how to add or remove camera access in quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick setting panel. So scroll down now here. So just click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So if you want to add camera access in quick settings panel, so click on camera access. So after click on camera access, you will see camera access is add in quick settings panel. So after the process, click on done and again click on done. You will see camera access is add on quick settings panel. So go back to home screen. So if you want to remove camera access in quick settings panel, so swipe down. Now here, so click on pen icon and click on edit. So after click on edit, you will see camera access is here. So click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see camera access is remove on quick panels. Done. You will see camera access is remove on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove camera access in quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.